This video is for Royal Processional, the bass part. So there are a few tricky things we need to look out for in this piece. One is going to be switching between using second finger and fourth finger on our Fs, Cs, and then Bs on the G string. Another thing is going to be a few tricky rhythms and bowings, especially with eighth notes and quarter notes and switching back and forth and with some of the slurs there. Then the last is there are a couple spots where we're going to have to do a shift into second position. And second position is where you have your second finger on your white tape, your first white tape, and then your fourth finger goes in between your two white tapes. So let's just practice going into second position. We're going to play pizzicato, 2 A's, 2 B's with second finger, and 2 C's, fourth finger. So ready, set, and go. A, shift to B, then C. Let's do that again. Ready, set, and go. A, shift to B, and then C. Let's try that with the bow. 1, 2, ready, and go. A, shift to B, and C. And we'll get to some of those spots a little later in the piece. We're going to break up this piece into a few different sections. The first is going to be from measure 1 to 17, then 17 to 31, 31 to 43, and 43 to the end. And this first section from 1 to 17, we're actually going to break into 2 more parts. So from 1 to measure 8, it's actually very easy. We just have to make sure we're counting all the rests in the right spot. So let's go ahead and play measure 1 to 8. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest, rest. Half note, rest, half note, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now's where we're going to get into some of the trickier things in this piece. So starting at the pickup to measure 9, so the quarter note that comes before measure 9, we're going to do this bows in the air. And we're just going to go from measure 9 to measure 12. So this is with the pickup note. 1, ready, go. Up, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, slur, half note, 1, 2, 3. Let's try that much again. So this is pick up to 9, going to measure 12. 1, ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, slur, half note, 1, 2, 3. And in these few measures, the other thing we need to look for is we're going to be using a second finger since these are all F naturals. So with bows on the string, pick up to measure 9 with those low second fingers. 1, ready, go. Slur, half note, 1, 2, 3. Let's do that one more time. 1, ready, go. Second finger. Slur, half note, 1, 2, 3. The next bit from the end of measure 12 till the end of measure 16 is almost exactly the same, except that when you get into measure 16, you're going to have A, B, A with a fourth finger B. So be really careful that your F's here are second finger and your B stays fourth finger. This is the pickup to measure 13. So 1 quarter note before measure 13. 1, ready, go. Slur, second finger, half note, now 1, 4, 1. Let's do that one more time. Pick up to 13. 1, ready, go. Second finger. Slur, second finger, half note, 1, 4, 1. Let's go back to the beginning and see if we can put all of this together. So from the beginning to measure 16. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest, rest. Half note, rest. Half note, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Second finger. Slur, second finger, half note, 1, 2, 3. Slur, half note, 1, 4, 1. In this next section, we have some of our shifts, as you'll see right away in measure 17. So let's play some of this pizzicato. In measure 17, what it's going to look like is this. So you've got your second finger F, and then your open D, open G, and then second finger B in second position. So let's try those 4 notes together. F, D, G, and then B. 1, 2, ready, go. F, D, and shift to B. One more time, ready, set, and go. With the shift. Then in measure 18, we're going to have C, B, and shifting back to A in first position. So do that with me. C, B, A. 1, 2, ready, go. One more time, ready, set, and go. Now let's put that together. Measure 17 and 18. 1, 2, ready, go. Shifting here. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, ready, and go. Let's try that with bows on the string now. Measure 17. 1, 2, ready, go. Shift back. In the next section, you'll see that we are going to have a similar shift, looking at measure 19 into 20. And whenever you have an open string note and then you have a note in a higher position, shift while you're playing that open string note. So that gives you some extra time. So let's play measure 19 and 20. So we'll be shifting up to that 4th finger C. 19. 1, 2, ready, go. Second finger, open G, shift, 4, and then shift. Let's do those 2 measures again. 1, 2, ready, go. Shift up, shift back. Let's try that with bows on the string. 1, 2, ready, go. Shifting up, shifting back. Let's put this whole section together now, from 17 to the end of 20. 1, 2, ready, go. Shifting up, shifting back, second finger, open, shifting up, shifting back. Let's do that one more time. It's a pretty tricky section. 1, 2, ready, go. Shifting up, shifting back, second finger, shifting up, shifting back. Skip ahead, please, to measure 23 and 24. So here we're going to have a shift from a first finger A all the way up to that C. So let's practice doing that. Just A and then shift up to C. 1, 2, ready, go. A, C. And if you look at measure 23 going into 24, what we're going to have is A, C, B, A. So play those 4 notes with me. Ready, set, and go. A, C, B, A. Let's try that with bows on the string. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C, A. And one more time. Ready, set, and go. A, shifting up, shifting back. Let's go back to the beginning of measure 23 and see if we can play from 23 to the end of 24. 1, 2, ready, go. Second finger, shifting up, shifting back. And one more time. Ready, set, and go. Shifting up, shifting back. And if you look at measures 25 and 26, it's the exact same thing. So let's go back to 17, and we're going to go from 17 all the way to the end of measure 28. 17 to 28. 1, 2, ready, go. Shifting up, shifting back, second finger, shifting up, shifting back, second finger, still second, shifting up, second finger, shifting up, shifting back. Now in the last 2 measures of this section, 29 and 30, just watch out for your second versus your third or versus your fourth finger. So in that scale in 29, we're going to have a 4th finger F sharp, But then in measure 30, we're going to have a second finger C. So make sure we get both of those. Play measures 29 and 30. We'll have a fourth finger, and then we'll have a second finger. 29, 1 and 2, and ready, go. Fourth finger, second finger. Let's do that again. Ready, set, and go. Fourth finger, second finger. Looking at the next section from 31 until 43. From 31 to about 39, it's all going to be pretty basic, except that we're going to be using second fingers on our G, on our E string for that second finger G. So play 4 of those second finger Gs for me. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's play from 31 to 38. Looking out for those second fingers. 1. And notice that in this section, your Fs are going to be sharp. So like the F in 32 is going to be a fourth finger. So here we're going to be switching between those second finger Gs and Cs and fourth finger F sharps. Measure 31, starting with a second finger. 1, 2, ready, go. Second finger, now fourth, back to second, still second, now 4, second, second, still second, and fourth. Let's do that whole section one more time, just looking out for those second and fourth fingers. Starting with a second finger G. 1, 2, ready, go. Now fourth finger, back to second, fourth finger, second, still second, second, and fourth. And then in this section from 39 to 42, we have some fermatas. The fermata is when you have the half circle and the dot. And that means that you're going to hold out the note as long as the conductor wants to. So you have to make sure you look up in that notes to be watching for how long the conductor is going to hold it out. And in my part, I don't have one in measure 42, but there should be one there. So if there isn't one, go ahead and pencil that in. In measure 42 on that G, there's going to be a fermata there also. And when you see the word andante in measure 40, that means it's going to be a bit slower than the beginning. And then the a tempo at 41, it's going to be faster. So I'm going to play this for you so you can hear what those tempo changes are going to sound like. I'm starting at measure 39. Measure 39. 1, 2, ready, go. Fermata. And a little slower here. And then a fermata again. Then up to tempo. And then a fermata again. So I'm going to be showing you with my head where we're going to be moving on from those fermatas, or with a breath, the way the conductor will with your hands. Play measure 39 with me. Second fingers. Measure 39. 1, 2, ready, go. Fermata. Then a little slower. Another fermata. Then up to tempo. Let's do that whole section again. 39 to 42. 1, 2, ready, go. Fermata. 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 All right, let's go back to 31 and do this whole section from 31 to 43. Looking out for second versus fourth fingers and those tempo changes. Starting with a second finger G. 1, 2, ready, go. Fourth finger, second, second, 4, second, still second, second, then fourth, then second, fermata, slower, fermata. Now for this last section from 43 to the end, we have a lot of things that repeat. Like if you look from 43 all the way to about 55, it's just the same as the beginning. Look with me at measure 56. So we have an F sharp here, which is going to be a fourth finger, and then in measure 57 we have that second finger F natural. So be really careful for where those are. Let's also make sure in 57, 58, and 59 we give all of those dotted half notes 3 equal beats. Let's start at measure 57, and we're just going to do measure 57 to 59 with bows in the air. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that bows on the string with a second finger F natural. 57. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back now to 43 and see if we can play from 43 all the way to the end. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, rest. Half note, rest. Half note, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Second finger. Still second. Half note, half note. Second finger. Now fourth. Now second, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and in measures 60 through 63, you have a first finger A and a first finger E. And if you notice, that time what I did was I kept my finger over both strings in that first finger position, so I didn't have to lift. But you should have enough time that you can also do it with lifting your finger if that's easier for you. Personally, I think it's probably easier to bar them, but you can try it both ways and see which one you like better. Now we're going to play from the beginning of the piece all the way to the end, looking out for those rests, for those second finger versus fourth fingers, and for those shifts. Lots of tricky stuff in this one. Very beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest, rest. Half note, rest, half note, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Second finger. Second finger. Half note, now fourth finger. Second finger. Shift. Shift back. Second finger. Shift up. Shift back. Second finger. Second finger. Shift. Shift back. Second finger. Second finger. Shift up. Shift back. Second finger. Second finger here. Fourth. Second finger. Second finger. Second. Fourth. Second. Second. Fourth. Second. 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 Fourth. Slowing down here. Another fermata. Second finger. Another fermata. Going on 43. 2, 3, 4, rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest, rest. Half note, rest, half note, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Second finger. Second finger, half note. Second finger.